In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a meeting in Google Meet. Whether you're organizing a professional business meeting or a casual family catch-up, Google Meet provides a flexible and user-friendly platform to connect people seamlessly. And guess what? You've got 3 different ways to get started with this fantastic tool. Let's dive in and explore each method step by step. First up, we've got create a meeting for later. This option is perfect if you want to set up a meeting in advance and share the details with your participants ahead of time. Here's how it works. Simply select this option and Google Meet will instantly generate a meeting link for you. You can then copy this link and send it to the people you want to invite. It's a great feature for those who like to have everything planned out and ready. Just remember to keep the link handy as you'll need to share it with your attendees before the meeting starts. Next on our list is Start an Instant Meeting. This option is ideal for those moments when you need to set up a meeting right on the fly. You might find yourself needing to discuss something urgent with your team or host a spontaneous chat. Selecting this option allows you to begin a meeting immediately. Once inside, you can easily share the meeting link with anyone you want to join. It's straightforward and gets you right into the discussion without any delay. And finally, we have Schedule in Google Calendar. This is probably one of the most comprehensive ways to organize your meeting. By using Google Calendar to schedule your meeting, you can set a specific date and time, give your meeting a title, and even add participants directly from your contacts. This feature integrates smoothly with your existing calendar, helping you and your participants keep everything in order. It's perfect for planning meetings well in advance and ensuring that everyone is on the same page regarding timing and agenda. Each of these methods provides a level of flexibility and convenience to fit different scenarios, whether you're planning ahead or need something more immediate. Google Meet's integration with Google Calendar is particularly handy for professional environments, making it easy to manage schedules and notifications. I hope this guide has helped demystify how you can get started with creating meetings on Google Meet. Remember, no matter the method you choose, the goal is to make your meeting experience as seamless and efficient as possible. Thank you for watching, and might your next meeting be both productive and effortless.